number system. Long years ago, people lived in forests and caves. They lived in small groups. They exchanged things among these groups like cows. Then they faced a problem. How many cows were exchanged between two groups? An idea born in their mind. If a cow was exchanged, they count a finger as one in their hand. Thus, if two cows were exchanged, they marked two fingers and so on. But then one new problem was born. What will happen if all the fingers of two hands are marked? To solve this problem, they put a stone there if all the fingers were marked. That is, they put a stone if they counted 10. Then the whole process would start once again. Then 11 would be equal to a finger and a stone. Thus, in this natural way, the numbers 1, 2, 3, ... 10, 11, and so on were born. That is why these numbers are called natural numbers and denoted by n. That is, n is equal to 1, 2, 3, and so on. The formation of natural numbers gives us some ideas. 1. 1 is the smallest natural number. 2. There is no largest natural number. That is, the set of natural numbers is unbounded above. 3. There is an inherent operation called addition. That is, we get the natural number 2 from 1 by adding 1 to itself. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. To get 2, we add 1 and 2. 3 is equal to 1 plus 2 and so on. 1.2. Some drawbacks. 1. If we consider the above addition plus operation, can we find a natural number which can be added to 1 to get 1? That is, 1 plus what is equal to 1? The answer is no. That is, there is no such natural number which can be added to 1 to get 1. To solve this question, a new number is defined, called 0. Thus, 0 was born, since 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. The collection thus formed, denoted by W, is equal to 0, 1, 2, and so on, is equal to 0 plus n, is called the collection of whole numbers. 2. Now the above question can be generalized. Can we find a natural number x to solve the equation 2 plus x is equal to 1? That is, can we find a natural number x which can be added to 2 to get the natural number 1? The answer is again negative. That is, we cannot find such a natural number which can be added to 2 to get 1. The collection W, collection of whole numbers, is insufficient to answer this question. Thus, a new kind of numbers are formed called negative numbers. 2 plus x is equal to 1. This implies x is equal to minus 1. Now x is equal to minus 1 is not a whole number, but a negative number. Similarly, we can form the numbers minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and so on. This collection is denoted by n minus. That is, n minus is equal to minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and so on. Now the total collection n minus plus w is equal to ... minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, ... is called integers and denoted by z. That is, z is equal to n minus plus w. This concept can be represented by a diagram like this. After born of the 0, the set of natural numbers n is extended to the set of whole numbers w. Similarly, after creation of negative integers, the set of whole numbers is enlarged to the set of integers z. That is, the collection of numbers are increased and a new kind of operation, minus, is born.